Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another new video. Today we are going to learn about how to print number in ascending and descending order. So let's start our program. Today we are going to print the numbers in ascending order in GW Basic. So I have written the program and now I discuss this program with you. So first we clear our screen. For this we write cls command. Next we have to take the numbers. For this we use for loop. In for loop what we will do, we will take one integer, its value is I, and we store in I what we store numbers. So our numbers starts from 3 to 28 and we take a gap of 5. Step 5 means we will write numbers from 3 to 28 in ascending order, and the step between 3 to 28 is 5. So in our next time what we will do, we just print our variable I and then we shift our loop again to variable I, and in the end then we will end our program. So let's run this program. For running the program we will press F2. So you can see our numbers from 3 to 28 will be printed on the screen in ascending order. So this is the program to print number in ascending order. If we have to print our number in descending order, what we will do? So this is our program in which we print our number in descending order. What we will do, we just change the order of the number from 28 to 3. First we have written 3 to 28 in ascending, and now in descending we will write 28 to 3 by taking the step of -5. In previous program in ascending order we take the step +5, and here in descending order we take the step -5. Now if we run this program, so our number will be display in descending order. For running we press F2, and now here you can see our number will be printed from 28 to 3 in descending order. That's all for today. If you like this video then kindly subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.